I am Mr. Diallo Alakimu. I am engineer computer science in National Statistical Institute of Mali, West Africa country. I am civil servant, engineer computer science with my 10 years of work, full-time work experience. I want to do this research because I do this research proposal on biocomputation. Because I trust, I think that this is very important for you, for humanity, for in near future humanity. This is our topic. You can see our topic presentation. Our subject is 2367. This is our summary. You can see our summary. Introduction. This is the introduction. In introduction, it is not nothing. It is introduction. It is only the data. The keyword is data. We will use data, analytical chemistry data, organic chemistry data, biology data with electrical mechanical device with machine model, with artificial intelligence, machine learning model to resolve aging phenomenon problem. It is our aim. Review. It is literature review. Literature review it is very important. In literature review, we will read the maximum book available, credible book available, and maximum journal, credible journal available. We will read the maximum journal and book to propose the new knowledge on this field. It is literature review. We will make blood database to analyze database of blood to understand the aging problem for all men to young men. In information we have already now. Already now mean that the knowledge available today. We know on subject, on aging phenomenon subject. On already now, we now near professor talk that the knowledge on aging phenomenon it is not much more available. This field need to have more research to increase the knowledge and aging phenomenon field. You can see Professor Fernando Patosky talk about on research on aging phenomenon. He said that the knowledge on the aging phenomenon it is not understood today. So that I think that this field need to have more research to increase the knowledge in this field. We still need to know. Now we need to know some information. For my case, by example, for all cases, we need to know biology field, chemistry field, electromechanical, computer engineering field, or mechatronic. For my case, I know I have a lot of skill on electromechanical engineering field because I have more experience on robotic and intelligence artificial. You can see this on my YouTube. I publish my knowledge on YouTube in this field. Now I need to know more knowledge on biology field and chemistry field. We'll find this out. Here you can see on this file. After this we will discover the new drug, or we propose the new food which can increase the knowledge. We can increase the all of human all. Question. This is our research question. We have 90 research question. By example, what is aging? What means aging? How we can measure aging? It is the question that we will answer in this research. It is high level action, justification of research. This research is very important. It is justified because for all men, imagine all men, you are all men, you need to fund this research because after some years, if you did your money stay here, you need to fund this research to increase your all experience, your all, to increase your life expectancy. Because by funding this research, we will increase the knowledge on aging phenomenon, and we can discover the drug or the another food which can increase the all. It is very research methodology. We have a research methodology. Our research methodology it is based by testing. We will test 10 to 100 tests our model after read a lot of book and a lot of journal and propose the formalization, the formal formalization, the formalization and testing this formula to have a valid solution on aging phenomenon. By testing, we will repeat 10 from 10 to 100 to 100. It is data collection and analysis. We will collect the data and analyze this data. You can see here. Research impact and ethical consideration. This research is very important because imagine the word that the drug it is available on pharmacy. When you consume this drug, when you are old man, you will stay you will become young. When you are young, you stay young. Imagine you have 18 years, 80 years, 100 years. When you take the drug, you will be young. You will be 50 years, or you will be 45 years, or you will be 30 years. It is very important. Impact is very important for you, not for me, but for you, because we are calling this research biocomputational or bioinformatics to attract the best student in the world for work on this field. We need your fund. You need to fund this research to increase the knowledge on aging phenomenon. It is very important. Imagine in 3 years, if you can work on this field, in 3 years, if you can diminish each 3 years, we can diminish 2 years. By example, human which have 60 years, after 3 years research, if these all became 63 years, he became he became 58 years. Then it is impact of outages. And I also want to say that in this research we can build the device, electromechanical device. With this device we can replace the organ failed. Some organ can be failed because all aging phenomenon. We will replace, by example, by example, liver. If your liver is failed because all aging problem, we will build the machine. We can replace the liver or have organ fail have organ. It is very important to make these research. I won't do this research in 3 years, in my PhD in 3 years, but this research to do this research, we need your funding. You need to fund this research to increase the knowledge on this research, to increase the knowledge on aging phenomenon and passive and increase the knowledge and discover the drug can resolve aging phenomenon problem. Thank you for watching very much. Thank you.